How startups can achieve early success by relying on cloud accounting. How is cloud accounting beneficial for startups? High-end security. Usually, small businesses tend to store data in their local systems, but it is quite risky. This is because not just employees can make some errors, but the hard disk can also crash that will lead to the destruction of data. But when startups utilize cloud-based accounting software, there are prospects to save data in manifold locations along with sound safety measures. Some of the measures include firewall, antivirus, and encryption. Data with this will always remain safe even if a disaster occurs. Automatic software upgrades and updates. You might be a software development company, an online startup, or an e-commerce vendor. Functioning with the latest technologies and software is paramount. Otherwise, keeping at par with the global standards and meeting client and customer expectations will be impossible. But here is an issue. Whenever businesses upgrade to the latest software version, it will definitely be a cumbersome task. This largely leads to an interruption in work. Improved business decisions. Initiating a startup in today's world is a risky affair given to the present competitive business landscape. The startup might fail to satisfy its customers, or it might not receive the necessary funding. So in order to ensure success for a startup, it is important to take proper business decisions and at the right time. This calls for organizing updated accounting data. For this, more and more startups are now benefiting from cloud accounting. By this, it is possible to attain better control over resources and accounting data. Also, getting updated visuals of the business account is possible. This is especially beneficial for small businesses that are working with ERP in the retail industry. Implementing cloud-based accounting in almost every business process is truly the need of the hour. Remote access. If data within an organization is only stored in the local systems, employees or the startup head can never access it from outside the workplace premises. However, the times are changing, which is making startups adopt technologies like cloud accounting. It helps in accessing the accounting software anywhere, anytime, and from all devices. Employee training is also a hassle-free process, as using these technologies is quite simple. Cost and time savings. 85% of startups fail as they lack proper cash flow. A small business can never find adequate time and cost as per preconceived notion to date. But this kind of thinking is now transforming bit by bit. Realizing the cloud accounting benefits is all a startup needs to enjoy success within a short time span. For instance, small businesses no longer need to buy top-rated hardware, and this eradicates capital expenses. ERP business collaboration at its best is also possible with such high-end cloud services. Businesses will not feel the need of deploying in a team within the office, as companies offering cloud services manage challenges linked to infrastructure and hardware. As there are no hassles related to it, businesses can largely save operational costs and time. Multi-user partnership. As we can also see that the coronavirus pandemic has forced people to work remotely. However, the key to more productivity and successful business operation calls for team coordination. But when people have teamwork from several locations, it is challenging for them to join forces on accounting data concurrently. For instance, when it comes to projects related to ERP in the construction industry, team coordination is a must, as it is the very foundation of well-designed buildings. So now small businesses can benefit from a cloud accounting system that is hosted on the cloud. Thus, team members can now easily pool resources and make modifications in data correspondingly.